So in this video, we're going to talk about Katana's order fulfillment sync. It's a two-way sync that allows you to update an order when it's shipped out, to mark it as fulfilled on Shopify when you mark it as delivered in Katana, or to mark it as delivered on Katana when you mark it as fulfilled on Shopify. This feature also supports the additional fulfillment statuses that include partial fulfillment as well as partial delivery with respect to the way it's called in Katana and Shopify. So let's start this off by creating a test order, and I'll show you how it works. So we'll go into here and create a sales order like so. We'll add, let's say, a couple of items. Great. And we'll add a couple of quantities. Let's do 5 here and 5 here. Perfect. Okay, and what we'll do next is we'll go ahead and associate this with John, our customer on Shopify, and collect payment, marking it as paid, to import it into our Katana account as a created order that's presently unfulfilled. This will flow in as order 1032, and on our Katana account in the sales order list, 1032, we can see right here. Okay, so how does this work? Well, first off, I'll start off on the Shopify side. You can see that in Katana, you have a pick, pack, and ships process, which means that you can select the status of an order, you can pack your products, or deliver your products. Now, I'm mostly going to only focus on the deliver some and deliver all statuses. And on the Shopify side, there is a corresponding status where when you are working a sales order, you can fulfill items. And when you fulfill the items, this is the process of changing the Shopify sales order from unfulfilled to fulfilled or partially fulfilled. So let me show you how it works. If we decide to fulfill items on the Shopify side using the fulfillment sync, then we can select that, let's say 2 of 5 here and 2 of 5 here will be fulfilled. This means that if you have a sales order that doesn't get sent out in one shipment, but maybe a couple of shipments, you can send out a couple of items per order earlier before you do the full fulfillment. So let's go ahead and do that and choose fulfill items. So what that has done, it has changed the status of this order 1032 to partially fulfilled. And what that means is that on the Katana side, when we look at the same order, we have a partially delivered status. And that's how it's synced out. On Katana, you'll see these are the items that are not shipped, 3 and 3, and these are the items that are shipped, 2 and 2. And that's basically how that works. Now, if, for example, I was going to do another fulfillment, but this time on the Katana side, then I would do it like so. I deliver some, and it would take the remainder that I have here, and let's say that I deliver 1, and I deliver 1, then this will create an additional partial fulfillment on this side and update the quantities that are left to fulfill on the Shopify side. So I'll choose deliver selected, and then this will create another stock movement, which we see down here below for the one pieces like so. What that should do in turn on the Katana side is also update that as well with an additional partial fulfillment stating that there are 2 fulfilled here and 4, which was the first fulfillment. And that's more or less how it works. Now, when you go to close out a sales order, meaning that all of the items in the order are fulfilled, if you choose to fulfill items, and all of them will be fulfilled, 2 out of 2, 2 out of 2, then this order status goes from partially fulfilled to fulfilled, which means that in Katana's terminology, it would be fulfilled in Shopify and then marked as delivered in Katana. So I'll choose fulfill items, and then the order will be completed basically. And as a result, when we look inside of the Katana account, all of this has been updated. All items are marked as delivered. The order status itself has also been delivered. And that's a little overview of the fulfillment statuses with respect to the Katana and Shopify integration. One other thing that is worth mentioning is if you are fulfilling your orders, but you're using Katana's advanced feature of batch tracking, then what Katana also has is what is called first in, first out methodology. And that first in, first out methodology will actually auto-select your most recently or soonest to expire product that is a batch trackable item from your inventory. That will be automatically selected and added directly to your order fulfillment. So that way, when you're practicing first in, first out methodology for your deliveries, then it will select the correct one.